Yeah, I didn't even have my mic on. What am I doing? I really don't know what I'm doing. Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up? Hey, what's up? I'm gonna be trying to cold start my Suzuki. It's been pretty cold out here, and I haven't started her in probably, I don't know, probably over like a month, which is not good. So we're gonna try to pull her out here and see if we can get her turned on, because last time I tried it, too cold for it to start. It was way too cold for it to start, which sucked. So we're gonna see if we can do it today. And also, I'm gonna be using this app to be scanning it. I'm gonna be scanning it and turning it into a 3D model. If you're familiar with Polycam, I think that's the name of it, Polycam, you'll know what I'm talking about. Let's get this bike pulled out. This garage will open. Let's get this bike pulled out, huh? Alright, we got her pulled out here. She's not gonna want to start. I already know it. It's way too cold. It is way too cold, okay? So if she doesn't start, don't blame her. Where to put my damn key? Oh yeah, it's way too cold. It is way too cold for her. Close, it was very fudge. He's probably not gonna want to start. Yeah, she's not gonna want to turn over. Pretty unfortunate, but beautiful bike though. Alright, let's try it one more time. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna kill the battery. Alright, even though I can't get her started right now because it is way too cold. I'm gonna use that app Polycam to scan her in. We'll make it into a 3D model. Will be kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is open up Polycam. That's the logo. So all I really gotta do is press that button and it's just gonna start taking just endless photos of what I'm pretty much scanning, and then it's gonna pretty much take all those photos and put them into a 3D model. Alright, so I just finished taking 252 photos. And so what I was saying pretty much is it's going to take all those photos and make a 3D model of my bike here. It's a pretty cool app, honestly. But I only have the free version, so I only have two more photos, 2 more scans before I need to actually buy the actual app. And yeah, see, now it's preparing. I don't know if you could see that, but it's telling me to keep this screen open, but I'll get back to you when this is done, and we'll see the actual 3D model. Should come out pretty cool. Hey, what's up? We're finally back. Took me like a couple hours for this to render properly. The first time it rendered, it wasn't necessarily doing it too well, but here's the final product, you could say. With all those photos I took, this is what it turned into. I have it in AR mode, augmented reality, so I can like look around pretty much. But yeah, you can zoom in pretty much to any detail, and yes, some parts of it are kind of wavy. It's just how it rendered, I guess, but it's still pretty detailed. Like, you can see the Venom stickers that I literally have on my bike. Literally looks like I'm there, but nope. This is the first time I've actually done it with the like a vehicle or something like that. I was like doing random stuff, but I can go far away from it. Even make it like line up with the table, kind of. Probably not. It's just like my band is like right here. My hand kind of goes through it though.